And welcome back. Now, the first set of Red Star Premier League fixtures for 2018 was less than happy for some teams after several matches ended in a draw. Fifth place UWIFC had to settle for a 1-1 draw with its struggling Montego Bay United at the Mona Bowl. Patrick Brown found the back of the net for UFC in the 24th minute. But Reggae boy Owen Gordon, who returned from a spell in the US, slotted home from the penalty spot in the 41st to level Former Bay United.
Yeah, I think we're satisfied with the point, knowing that we come all the way from Montego Bay. We know coming here at UE going to be difficult, but I think the guys stick with the game plan. I think it was a well-done effort from my team today.
That's something we have to work on, yes, converting our chances. But at least today we limited Mobe in the run of play where they didn't have many chances, but they scored a penalty and so is it. But much better performance today. Nice way to start the year. Not the best way, but given what we endured for the last 3 games.
Meanwhile, new signee Craig Foster couldn't find the back of the net on his debut as Humble Lion were held goalless by Waterhouse.
I'm very disappointed, played so well, but for some reason we can't get the ball across the goal line, but I've seen improvements, we're keeping the ball much better, we're breaking down things easier, but such is the game, we just need to continue working hard and hopefully we can just continue and start winning games consistently.
And the day's other 3 o'clock encounter, leaders Portmore United were held to a 0-0 draw by Reno at Frome. Meanwhile, hosts Cavalier defeated Sandals South Coast 2-1. And in the 2 late kickoffs, Arnett Gardens and Tivoli Gardens were locked at 0-0, while Harbour View were leading Boys Town 1-0.